kitchen.
What are we making today, chef?
Chole.
What do we need for chole?
We need oil.
What else?
Oil. Onions. Tomatoes. Potato. Masala. And mirchi.
Okay.
And chole.
Okay.
Let's add Jiga to the hot oil.
Okay, add it.
Only this much Jiga.
Yes.
Give me.
Take it. Now what are we adding, chef?
Haldi.
Okay.
Don't.
Now what do we add, chef?
We add onions.
Okay.
Help me.
Now what are we doing, chef?
Mixing it.
Are we frying the onions?
I'm frying the onions.
Okay. Now what do we add, chef?
Mirchi.
Okay.
For Sita Mausi.
We are making this for which maushi?
Dusna.
Okay.
Now let's add ginger garlic paste and fry them.
Okay.
Help me. Start. Now let's add tomatoes to the oil. Listen.
Are the tomatoes getting soft, chef?
Yes.
Why do you think they are getting soft? Because?
I'm mixing it.
But why are they getting soft?
Cause they are getting cooked. That's why.
Why they are getting?
Let's add potatoes to the chole.
Okay.
Now let's add masala.
What masala is this, chef?
This is yellow masala.
Yellow masala, okay.
Maggi masala.
No, I don't think it is Maggi masala.
It is not Maggi.
I think it is chole masala.
This is chole masala.
Okay.
A lot of masala.
Yes. Lot of masala will make it spicy or sweet, chef.
Spicy.
You like spicy
A
food?
lot of masala.
Yes. You like?
Mixing potatoes, onions, tomatoes together.
Okay. Wow, it looks colorful and nice.
Water to the chole.
Okay.
This water.
Yes.
And mix it.
Okay.
onions and potatoes
Hmm.
and tomatoes cook.
Okay.
Do cooking and everything together.
Okay. Wow, your chole look yummy, chef. Good job.
Actually look good.
Yes, they look yummy. Can I taste them after they are cooked?
Yes. To me.
Did you forget adding salt in the chole, chef?
Yes.
Are you going to add some salt now?
Yes. If we don't add salt, the chole will taste yucky.
Okay.
So we add chole.
So what are we adding now? Salt. Are you adding some sugar also in the chole, chef?
No,
Why?
because chole are not supposed to taste sweet. That's why.
Okay. Then how are they going to taste now, do you think?
But it's going spicy.
What did you add to make it spicy?
Mirchi.
Hmm.
Ko.
Hmm.
Kos 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 kos.
Are you a singing chef?
I'm making chole.
For whom?
Sheila
And who else?
and Josna.
Okay. Are you going to eat them
Not
yourself?
For Sheila.
Are you going to eat that? Or
And
you are just
Daddy
cooking it?
also, I'm making nice chole.
Okay.
For
How they look yummy. Is it done? Is it cooked yet?
not yet.
How much time do you think it will take now?
It will take a lot of time.
Okay. I am hungry.
'Cause
I am really hungry. Can you hurry up?
I am cooking chole. I'm cooking it.
So, but I am really hungry. Can you hurry up?
Cooking, cook, cook, cook,
Oh,
cook.
don't hurry up like that.
The chole is done now.
Hmm.
Now I'm the master chef.
Yeah, you are the master chef.